How to change your primary email address on Samsung account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your primary email on your Samsung account. So let's just begin. First off, what you need to do is go over to settings. Once you open up settings, you need to find your Samsung account right here on top. Just tap on it. And from your Samsung account, you want to go over to your profile info. Tap on profile info at the top of your screen. And from here, you can find your account ID up top, that is your email. And if you have connected your Google account to it, it's going to be visible there as well. So basically, to change your primary email, tap on account ID and the email right below it. Now you can easily find your email right here on top, and any Samsung Pass information that hasn't been synced will be deleted if you change your email ID. And if you're sure that you want to change it, you can just go ahead and tap on change, but you need to remember your new ID as you'll need it next time you sign into your Samsung account. So just tap on change, and all you have to do here is provide your new ID and tap on the change button below. They will send you a verification code on your old email and your new email as well to confirm, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.